Mel hate watches Cooking with Paris.
You guys asked for it. Mel's commentary on episode 2 of Cooking with Paris. Here we go. Mel is hopeful that this episode will be better than the Kim episode because it's the Saweetie episode. I'm not 10 seconds in, and I'm already wrong because I know this bitch knows, even in character, I know this bitch knows how to say tomatillo. And the fact...
I'm getting corn and flour.
Just wait.
I wanted to get the cheese. It's called like Tortorano or something. It starts with a C. Yes. Excuse me? What is a tomatillo?
No! This bitch did not say tomatillo. She didn't do it. That didn't happen.
Very American style. Smells so good.
Also, like, she totally remodeled her house, like we talked about in the last TikToks. But she, like, didn't remodel her kitchen. I don't... Okay. I will say this outfit is giving exactly what it is supposed to give. And I appreciate it. Here comes Saweetie. Paris looks so gorgeous in this episode.
Yes.
No, because Paris is about to say, is broil higher than simmer? Sindel, get out of the way.
Oh, that's strong. Okay. Is that like higher than simmer? Yeah, all the way.
Come on. We should take a moment to appreciate the director of this shot, because it's fantastic.
I know, I don't trust, like, in markets when people are, like, fingering everything. You cut the tomato, I'll do this.
The Ta-Taas in this episode are
The gloves are my nails, I guess.
fantastic. This is the second episode in a row where Paris still doesn't know how to use her hood vent.
It's not burning, it's just well done.
What are they? Like, this whole episode is just shots of Ta-Taas and roasted tomatoes. I'm not mad.